Time is often one of the biggest challenges facing our clients, their team, and other persons with whom we interact. And chances are that's an issue for you as well. This challenge is sometimes reflected in never having enough time to do all the work that you think you have to do, or not knowing how it is that you're spending your time, or sometimes just working so many hours with very few hours left for other areas of your life. At ActionCOACH, we have proven through our clients and our programs that improving the management of your time as well as of yourself can lead to significant improvement in both your professional and business results, as well as the quality of your life. Join us for our upcoming seminar where you too can learn how to better use your time and be more productive and receive tools to improve your productivity. Please see below for more information and to register both you and your team.